I'm getting ready to make some boysenberries, and I'm going to let my grandson carefully put a pound of them into this frying pan. Don't touch the side of this. It's not really that hot yet, so. You ready?
Yeah.
And we're doing them in the camper, so therefore we're using this frying pan. All of them. All of them. Okay. Now.
This one that has olives on them, like the thing.
Oh, okay. All right. Now we need a cup, David, of sugar.
That's like a sugar?
Yep. A cup of sugar. Oh, it smells good already. I've got to be all the way to the top. That's got to be full.
How am I supposed to get it?
Can I help you?
Oh.
Here, let me help you.
Wait, I know how to get it full.
Okay, move very slowly. Move very slowly. There you go. Now put it in. Very good, very good.
Now do I do it again?
No, we just need a fourth this time. Let me show you.
Huh?
A cup, and then we're going to need a fourth. Let's do a fourth. Okay. That size. Okay. Now, what am I making, David?
Jelly.
What jam? But what kind? Boy. You got sugar on your face.
Boysenberry.
No, boysenberries. Well, what's nice about this is a lot of people have these trees and they don't mind if you get the berries because they probably, rather than not, be all over their driveway. So this is kind of nice, and I've never had this flavor, but I thought, hey, I want to try it because there's berries everywhere, and this is the time of year they're ripe, ready to go. So here we are. So it's boiling really, really good.
Oh.
You can see that. It'll be needing the lemon soon, so he's going to see if he can do this.
Why is it like smoke coming out?
So it's supposed to boil.
There's smoke coming out.
For 15 minutes. And then we're going to put just a little lemon zest in. So it's about a pound of berries. Cook them on medium. You know, mash them a little bit, and then you cook them, boil them 15 minutes. And then you add, so you're adding about a cup and a fourth or a cup and a half. I think maybe more like a cup and a half. So I did a fourth, and it seemed like it needed a little more. So you say a cup and a half of sugar, and then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of lemon and a little bit of lemon zest. And this will last about 2 weeks. And we boiled some jars, and then you make sure your jars are clean. Let them dry in the oven. Just warm. But there's lots of instructions how to sanitize your jars, but that's the way we're doing it. And also we just used some jars that we had, and we boiled the labels off and cleaned them up. And then we're going to put little tops on them. And this is good for 2 weeks. It's safe for 2 weeks. And I think we can definitely eat this jelly in 2 weeks.